wanted to take a quick moment to personally thank you for everything you've been doing to support us and give you an update on what our Creator is doing through VSI.
2026 has been an incredible year so far. We've already trained 263 people from 12 communities, 2 schools, and 5 countries. We just finished a training in Kenya. I'll be teaching in Missouri next month, and November brings a large training scheduled in Liberia.
Let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. Woo!
And I have some really exciting personal news. I've been praying for such a long time for a personal assistant, and our Creator has answered my prayers. This is Tamar! Woohoo!
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be joining the VSI family and just learning serving, all the cooking skills and everything. I'm really excited. I'm excited to meet you all along the way. Very excited to be here with Miss Wendy.
She's gonna even be traveling with me to Africa. Wherever I go, she will go. Where she's gonna help do the things that will free up my time so that I can do what I'm called to do. Teach, write curriculum, build capacity for VSI.
Yay!
That's what we're praying for through VSI. Not dependency, but restoration that multiplies. We're giving, equipping, empowering, and multiplying, igniting movements and making disciples. And we want you to know that you are part of this.
Thank you for praying for us and encouraging us and supporting VSI financially.
We couldn't do this without you.
May our Creator's will be done.
And may restored people become restorers.